Jason, you got a package. Open it up. Open it up. Just back up and let's watch, okay? Looky there. He's all tired. You gonna open your package? What did you get? He's like, Dad.
I found some little socks in there. So looky.
Looky there. What's in there? Shake it up. What is it?
What's this one?
Oh, some little sockies.
Yeah, cars go boom.
You're right, Jason. What's the car say? What's the car say?
Hey, Mommy, I could use that as an earring.
Please don't walk in front of the camera. Are you excited about it?
Mommy, look at the earring.
It's a bear. It's like a puppy. It's a bear.
Jason, what's the bear say? Yeah. Yeah, that's right. I didn't know you knew that. Good job. Jason, can you tell Grandma Esther? Tell her what does the doggy say? Jason, what's the doggy say? What's the puppy say? What's the puppy say? Uff, that's right. Ruff. What's the puppy say? Yeah, pretty close. Yeah. You got a little bear. What's the bear say? Is that right? Good, Jason. Yay! Yay, Jason. Jason, can you clap, clap, clap? Charge.
Can you say clap, clap? Thank you, Grandma. Yay.
Say clap, clap, clap. Karis, can you show him how to clap, clap, clap? Can you clap, clap, clap?
Thank you, Grandma.
Clap, clap, clap. Jason, clap, clap, clap. What you got there? Yay, Jason!